How can we detect research data manipulation? Imagine trying to find a hidden pattern in a sea of numbers or images. Sometimes, researchers tweak data to make results look better or hide mistakes. Detecting this kind of trickery is like solving a puzzle. It involves a mix of simple checks, clever math, and digital sleuthing. First, look for obvious signs. If data shows perfect results or numbers that seem too neat, that's suspicious. Real data is usually messy, with some inconsistencies. If a graph has no variation or control groups look too perfect, it might be faked. Next, statistical tests help spot oddities. For example, checking the last digits of numbers can reveal fakes. In real data, these digits should be random. If they follow a pattern, someone might have made them up. Tests like the chi-square test measure how random these digits are. If the test shows they're not random, the data could be manipulated. Other methods examine whether the reported averages or standard deviations are possible given the sample size. Tools like the generalized rounding inconsistency method or Sprite analyze whether the numbers make sense. If they don't, it's a red flag. Digital forensics also play a role. Comparing different versions of datasets can reveal edits or changes made after the fact. If data appears suddenly or shifts without explanation, that's suspicious. Some software can track changes in real time, acting like a security camera for data. Images are another area where manipulation can happen. Researchers sometimes alter pictures to hide or add features. Journals now use software to detect cloning, splicing, or inconsistent brightness. Minor edits for clarity are fine, but adding or removing parts crosses the line. With the rise of machine learning, detecting fake data has become more advanced. Algorithms can analyze data streams for unusual patterns, sudden jumps, or noise that doesn't fit. These systems can even reconstruct original data after tampering, making it easier to spot fakes. For people working on unconventional or strange experiments, transparency is key. Sharing raw data, documenting every change, and inviting others to review your work makes it harder to hide manipulation. Open data policies and pre-registration of studies are steps toward honesty. From a weird science perspective, spotting fakes is about being a research detective. It's about noticing when numbers or images don't add up, or when digital breadcrumbs point to tampering. Sometimes, the strangest clues are the most telling. Whether it's analyzing the last digits of data points or catching edits in images, the goal is to see what doesn't belong. In the end, finding manipulation takes a mix of careful observation, math, and digital tools. It's like solving a mystery where the truth is hidden behind layers of deception. Staying vigilant and transparent keeps research honest and trustworthy.